How to find cache on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find cache on Android phone. First then open settings and now just scroll down until you find storage, and now just click clean up, and here we'll find it. Now just wait, and now just click junk files, and now as you see cache have been cleaned. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.